This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Depress the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the air intake duct cover, then remove the air intake tube and the intake duct. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug and the vacuum hose. Release the clamp and disconnect the air hose from the sensor housing. Undo the retaining bolt and lift the air cleaner assembly from place. Depress the clip at the front and lift the cover from the battery. Slacken the negative lead clamp nut and with a twisting motion, pull the clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Lift the front of the battery box from place. Slacken the positive lead clamp nut and pull the clamp upwards from the battery terminal. Undo the bolt and remove the battery clamp. Then lift the battery from place. Remove the 3 bolts and withdraw the battery tray. Fully apply the handbrake. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. The engine under tray is secured by various fasteners around its circumference. Undo the fasteners, disengage the front edge, and remove the under tray from beneath the vehicle. Remove the plastic cap, then slide out the locking catch and disconnect the wiring plug from the solenoid. Unscrew the nut and disconnect the battery positive lead from the starter motor. Undo the nut on the upper mounting bolt and detach the earth cable. Working underneath the vehicle, undo the nut securing the bracket to the lower mounting bolt. Slacken and remove the starter motor lower mounting bolt. Slacken and remove the upper mounting bolt. Then withdraw the starter motor from the transmission housing. Manoeuvre the starter motor into position. Then refit the upper mounting bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Insert the lower mounting bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Refit the bracket to the lower bolt and securely tighten the retaining nut. Locate the earth lead over the upper mounting bolt, refit and securely tighten the nut. Reconnect the battery positive lead to the starter solenoid terminal. Tighten the retaining nut securely. Push the solenoid wiring plug over the terminal and slide the locking catch into place. Refit the protective cap over the solenoid terminals. Manoeuvre the under tray into place and engage the front edge, noting how some of the tangs fit above the front shield and some fit below. Refit the various fasteners and tighten them securely. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Manoeuvre the battery tray into place and secure it with the 3 retaining bolts. Lower the battery into the tray with the positive terminal at the front. Secure the battery with the clamp and bolt. Reconnect the positive lead to the battery and securely tighten the clamp nut. Refit the battery cover, then reconnect the negative lead and tighten the clamp nut. Refit the cover to the top of the battery. Lower the air cleaner assembly into place, reconnect the air hose, then press the assembly downwards to fully locate it into the rubber mounting grommets. Secure the air cleaner assembly with the retaining bolt. Ensure the air hose is fully connected to the mass airflow sensor housing, then secure it with the clamp. Reconnect the vacuum hose and the mass airflow sensor wiring plug. Refit the air intake tube and duct, then clip the cover into place. Firmly lower the bonnet to engage the catch, then check it's securely closed.